Take over. Once again, this is the last heat, heat number 3. Girls 78, 25-meter freestyle. Lane 1, Kay Ginto. Lane 2, Micaela Jompian. Lane 3, Robin Marquez. Lane 4, Pia Romo. And lane 5, Elsa Marie Romo. To the road events right now.
Ban, ana relax lang ban ha. Kaya ban, kaya. Ban,
event number 11. Boys,
one lap
6
lang na ban. Ban, one
and
lap.
under.
Ban, one lap.
25-meter freestyle.
Ban.
Heat 1. Lane number 2.
One lap.
Antonio Lois Malapera of Evangelista Aquatics. Lane number 3. Amory Blake Navalta of Aquachera. And lane number 4, Kim Angelo New of the Jangas Torpedoes.
Torpedo mga kalaban.
Timers, get ready.
Get ready.
Okay, Ban. Banat, Ban.
Relax, ban.
Relax,
Ban. Kaya kayo.
Kaya, Ban, ha? Banix!
Sige, ban.
Take your mark. Once again, this is event number 11. Girls 6 and under. 25-meter freestyle. Heat number 1, lane 1. Antonio Malapera. Lane 2, Amory Blake Navalta. And lane number 4, Kim Angelo New. Yan.